what is a I1, I2 or piqued quality of diamonds? So here I have a collection of diamonds, which are non-certified, and you can see too many flaws in the diamond to a naked eye. In this diamond you can see and when you see so many flaws in the diamond, it means it is of a lower quality. Lower quality means the chances of getting them certified is lesser. Not that they are not natural or they don't deserve to be certified or they cannot be certified, but the cost of certification is comprised so much to the cost of the diamond that the manufacturer or the trader do not get them certified. And when these are set into any piece of jewelry, they are known as like I1, I2, I3 kind of quality, which is very popular in very budget jewelry. Yes. So yeah, these diamonds can be of any shape, size, of different colors as well. So if you wish to source these diamonds, you can be from any part of the world, can be a consumer or a jeweler, and wish to source them right from wholesale manufacturers, then get in touch with us. We will be able to help you save a lot of money and buy much precise and better quality. Our thorough inspection and guidance will allow you to select much better quality of diamonds. You can make ear studs or pendant or ring or a bangle, bracelet, necklace from these diamonds. You can set them into 18 karat, white, yellow, rose gold, platinum, and many other things can be done with these diamonds. So if that interests you, then get in touch with us. Thank you.